Warning: your big attention is required as your life is about to change forever after this short video. Imagine if in minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first AI app, fully powered by the latest ChatGPT 4o that creates and ranks world-class websites in any niche. On the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing in 3 hours flat, while driving hundreds of thousands free targeted traffic daily, on complete autopilot, and the best part? In just 2 clicks, you can sell these high-in-demand first-page SEO-ranked websites on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa, while earning $500 to $1,000 per website on complete autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, the artificial intelligence and AI SEO websites has taken over the world by storm, dominating every corner of the online world. And in this new digital era, people are now 52 times more glued to their phones and laptops, surfing through the internet, browsing first-page SEO-ranked websites and buying products from top-ranked websites like There's No Tomorrow. Hence, the demand for top-ranked SEO websites keeps increasing, with no signs of slowing down. And to your surprise, the first-page ranked SEO websites are not just thriving, it's exploding in growth like never before. Here are some mind-blowing facts about SEO-ranked sites. The SEO-ranked sites industry is worth $478 billion in January 2024 and is projected to reach $660 billion by 2027. On average, first-page ranked sites on Google alone gets at least 500,000 daily traffic. 87% of the entire internet revenue is generated via SEO-ranked sites. Over 156,000 marketers have become internet millionaires via top-ranked sites. More than 560,000 SEO-ranked websites are created daily. An average internet user spends 97% of the screen time on first-page ranked browsing sites. More than 64% customers don't trust a business that does not appear on the first page of Google. And an average SEO-optimized website seller on Fiverr and Upwork earns at least $500 to $1,000 per site daily. Hence, there is no doubt why creating and ranking sites on first page of search engines is the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing this huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of the SEO-ranked sites, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem: creating and ranking sites on the first page of Google and Yahoo is not easy at all. It comes at a premium price and hard work. Creating websites in any niche from scratch requires lots of coding, HTML, and technical knowledge. And ranking sites on the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing is even more hectic and requires a lot of SEO skills. And buying third-party expensive SEO platforms could easily cost you at least $597 monthly. And hiring expensive SEO experts and freelancers could easily cost you $10,000s of dollars, leaving your wallet empty. But what if there was a better way? Where you can easily create, rank, and sell stunning sites in any niche and language without spending a single dime. Introducing SEOBuddy AI, the world's first AI app fully powered by latest ChatGPT 4o that creates and ranks world-class websites in any niche. On the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing in just 3 hours flat. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. In just 2 clicks, you can sell these high-in-demand SEO-ranked sites on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa, while earning you $500 to $1,000 per site on complete autopilot. Finally, this groundbreaking SEO AI tech lets you create and rank stunning websites on the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing, just using your voice command prompts. No writing, designing, or coding required. Make your site appear on first page of search engines in just 3 hours flat. Generate, analyze, and add unlimited backlinks for 10x more traffic and sales. Built-in keyword research. Feature lets you analyze unlimited keywords and gets you top SERP results within seconds. Effortlessly check the worldwide rankings of any keywords and clone on your site for better rankings. Write and post SEO-friendly AI articles and blogs with few clicks. Get real-time advanced SERP data of Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Built-in SEO competitor analysis feature keeps an eye check on your competitors and notifies you of possible actions. Built-in 20+ web tools enhances your site. Anonymity, security, and ranking with DNS lookups. Domain IP lookups QR generator, SSL checker, and more. One-click SEO content generation, instantly create an ad, jaw-dropping AI-generated images, videos, music, and more to your websites. Track daily website rankings and analytical reports with one click. Secure your websites from frauds with our built-in plagiarism checker. Secure your sites against hackers, malware, and viruses with our built-in anti-threat cybersecurity protection technology. Host unlimited websites on our ultra-blazing fast servers with 100% uptime guarantee. Built-in AI Client Finder tech lets you find potential clients that need SEO optimization while filling up your pockets. AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance. And built-in AI Assistant instantly alerts you to real-time site rankings, cyber attacks, and malware, and reveals what your site's missing. And the best part? You can get any site ranked in under 3 hours while driving 100,000 daily traffic on complete autopilot. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you say goodbye to the hassle of creating websites on your own. Say goodbye to the expensive SEO tools and freelancers. And finally, stop spending your hard-earned money on useless third-party website creators and rankers app. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary site ranker app while driving automated sales and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, SEOBuddy is a brand new, game-changing AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to ranking sites in just 3 hours and start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Give any keyword or voice command prompts to create your stunning website in any niche and language. Step 2. Effortlessly rank your website on the first page of Google, Yahoo, or Bing by harnessing the power of this brand, First Page Ranker AI tech. Step 3. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand SEO-ranked websites on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa while earning $500, $1,000 per website on complete autopilot. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create and rank websites on the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing while driving limitless traffic and sales in less than 3 hours? There isn't. So, what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to SEOBuddy AI just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then, do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision. Anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below to get a copy of SEOBuddy AI at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.